Let's create our client application deployment as well. We'll create an infra folder inside this client folder and edit a greeterclient.yaml file inside that infra folder. We'll create an almost identical deployment to the greeter server with only these labels changing from greeter server to greeter client, and that should do the trick, I guess. So let's create the greeter client by doing a kubectl apply -f, and when we check the logs, we see that the client cannot find the server, which is obvious because it's trying to talk to a local interface instead of the load balancer endpoint of the server that's associated with the greeter server pod. So I'll add the public service IP and the port here to this ADDR variable to let the client know about where the server is. And also we forgot to parse the flags here, so I'll change the code and add flag.parse so that the client can understand about the arguments we pass as well. Then we rebuild and redeploy the client, build sh, kubectl apply -f greeterclient.yaml, and our client and server, two containers in different pods in the same cluster, start chatting with each other, which is great. Next up, we are going to install SPIRE to our clusters, which will be the foundation that we'll use to distribute and overlay an identity control plane to our clusters so that our pods and other workloads can claim identities and establish secure end-to-end communications between each other. So see you in the next video where we'll roll out SPIRE onto our clusters.